Benton County, southeastern Parker County, and northern Tarrant County until 7 a.m. A severe thunderstorm is located near Annetta or east of Weatherford, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Storm may contain up to 60-mile-per-hour winds. Locations in the path of this storm will include Greater Fort Worth to Flower Mound, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City. Again, Tarrant, Denton, and Parker counties under a severe thunderstorm warning until 7 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm noted on radar east of Weatherford, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.